everyone! Today I will be showing you 3 different methods on how you can braid using 4 strands. Let's get started. To begin, you can nestle your ropes together and then just attach them to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now this first method of braiding with 4 strands is very simple, and it's what I like to call the woven method. So I'm going to start with the cord here on the far left, and I'm going to weave it through the other 3 cords by sending it over, under, and over. And I just want to pull that back up towards the top to keep it tight. Now I just repeat the exact same steps. So I take the next cord that's now on the far left and I weave it through, going over, under, and over. And I just pull that tight a little bit and repeat. Cord on the left goes over, under, over, over, under, over. Just like that, and that is all there is to it. So it's very simple. You always start on the left and you always weave it over, under, and over. Now you can secure your braid by either tying a gathering knot, an overhand knot, any other stopper knot you like, or you can even just tie it in a square knot too. Now the second way I want to show you how to braid with 4 strands is what is considered the more standard method. Okay, so this is really the official way that most people will tie this kind of braid. When I tie a 4-stranded braid, I like to always think of working in 3 sections of 2. Okay, so you'll have your section here of 2 on the right, your section of 2 on the left, and then we'll do the section of 2 in the middle. Okay? I start with my section on the right and I take the right cord over the left. Then I do the same with the section on the left. I send the right cord over the left. And now, working with my section in the middle, I send the left over the right. And I just repeat. So think of it as right over left, right over left, and then left over right. Okay? Right goes over left. Then I work on the section here on the left and I send right over left. Now in the middle, left over right. Okay? Just remember, right over left, right over left, left over right. And that's all there is to this. Now this third way I want to show you how to braid with 4 strands is going to give your braid a different appearance. This type of braid is called either the fishtail braid or the arrow braid. So what you want to do is take the cord on the far right and just cross it over the cord it's next to so it moves over to the middle. Now we're going to go in with the cord on the right and I'm going to cross it over the 2 cords in the middle so it's now on the right. This cord on the right then goes over the one next to it to become in the middle. The cord on the left goes over both cords in the middle. So all you're doing is you're just switching the outer cord with the one next to it to become in the middle. As you braid this, you'll notice your braid starts to become an arrow shape. Just like that, you can secure your ends once again with any method you would like. Most popular is a gathering knot. And there we go. So this is how you can braid using 4 strands.